Let's explore the skill and detail required for making wool area rugs. Many wool area rugs come from manufacturing plants in India, like this one. Here we see a machine processing raw wool. The wool is separated and pulled into individual strands, then processed through several machines where it is spun into yarn that will later be used to construct rugs. Next, the yarn is wound onto a spool. The spools are removed and the wool is ready to be washed. The washing process includes 5 phases of submerging the wool in soap and water and then wringing it dry. Once the washing is complete, the wool is placed in a spin dryer, much like your washing machine's spin cycle at home. Now it is ready to be dyed. The yarn is hung onto a large rack and submerged into the dye, which is heated to a near boiling temperature. Once dyed, the yarn is placed outside in the sunlight until it's completely dry. The construction of the rug can now begin. These weavers are hand knotting this rug by tying a continuous strand of yarn onto itself. A skilled weaver can tie 1,000 knots per hour. Typically, 2 weavers will work on one rug together and use a scaffolding system to raise and lower themselves along the entire length of the rug. The completion of a single hand-knotted rug can take 2 to 3 months. This weaver is hand tufting a rug. Using a tufting gun to push the yarn back and forth through a rug backing is the most popular method of rug construction in India. And as with hand knotting, this is a manually intensive and highly skilled craft. For both types of rugs, the weaver follows a rug map for its design and color scheme. Once construction of the rug is complete, the rug must be washed again to remove all remaining detergent, dirt, and yarn particles. The rug is laid flat on the ground, then fresh water is poured over it. The rug washers use a wood plank sharpened on one edge to force the water through the rug pile. This removes any impurities picked up during the creation process. The rug then lies in the sunlight until it is completely dry. After drying, the rug must be shaved to trim any uneven strands. Shaving gives the rug a finished look. Finally, the fibers are manually separated using a steel spike to bring out the detail in the rug's design. Lastly, the rug is rolled, packaged, and shipped for sale.